like I promised in the previous video, I would capture this Grizzly plowing snow, so let's get it done. Well guys, like I said, I was going to show you guys how this thing plowed. We finally got our first actual plowable snowfall here in the Northeast, and you can see that it did a pretty good job. Those are pretty good mounds back there, same as right here. Did a really nice job plowing. One thing I can say though is my original design is flawed, and now I need to fix it. So what happened was the lift hook snapped off, and I welded it on. It didn't break at the weld, it broke at a different spot. So kind of had to wrap it around like that in order to finish plowing. So I'm going to weld this thing back on, but what I'm going to do is I need to fix this, because at the moment it's kind of pulling. Let me kind of get on the side here and show you that. So it's sort of pulling at an angle like this, and it's not good because it's putting stress on this thing and it's bending it, and then it just fractured off. So what I needed to do is I needed to lift. It needs to lift and not pull. So I'm going to move this up into the middle of here, right up in the middle of here, this thing up in here, and I'm just going to weld it on and be done with it. Oh, before I go any further, I want to tell you guys I used this thing all day long yesterday in the snowstorm, and I went to start it today and it didn't want to start. It started for a second, then died, and then wouldn't start, and it's the starter. I have to replace the starter. I was able to fool around with it and get it to fire over. I tried pulling on that thing, no way. I don't think this has decompression on it, because that thing is I'll tell you what, it rips out of your hand. It's just not fun. Yeah, you need electric starter on this thing. So I got to order a new starter. I won't record any of that because it's pretty simple. But let's get on to the welding. So what I plan on doing here is I'm going to take this guy here, and this it was mounted here. So what I'm going to do is, it's stuck right now, I'll bring it up through here, and I think what I want to do is mount it right here, and that'll give me lift instead of pull. And I have some scrap metal from a trailer I had, and I think if I put a couple of straps across here, it should give me what I need. Weld them right on there. And funny thing is, these holes here are already the right size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut two pieces off, and then we're going to weld them on here. All right, I got the pieces cut. As you guys can see, it's two pieces. I didn't really get super fancy with this, just eyeballing it. I don't really care what it looks like. I'm gonna do is just put a couple, look at the bolts in here anyways. Maybe put the nut on there just to hold it for now. It doesn't come off. Well, this is the plan anyway. I think I'll be just fine. Alright, that looks pretty good. I think we'll take that. Let's buzz it on. Oh, it looks pretty good. Those welds aren't going nowhere. These welds at the bottom both. Very nice. It's good and solid. I think we're good. All right. I'm going to put the lock washers back behind this, tighten it up, and then we'll come back. All right, the lock nuts are in there. I hooked the cable back up to the loop that I already welded back on. Let's see what it looks like. I think we're good. I like it. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of paint on that. Keep it from rusting. Throw a little bit of this on there. That'll do. Well, it's all set now. That's all on there. Looks good. It's a quick little fab. Fixing my bad engineering. But you can see from the side view here now. It's going to lift straight up rather than at an angle. It's going to lift rather than pull. And that's what we want. So I think this will do it. The only thing I got to do now is I got to order a starter for it. The starter is really weak. It's not even cranking the engine over, and it's not a battery issue. It's definitely the starter. So we'll order that up, get that fixed. We won't record that, but I want to thank all you guys for watching. This is just a quick little midweek video of something that I had to fix. Figured I'd record it and show you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. And you guys don't forget, there's going to be more TRX 450R videos. You guys can see down in the back there. She's still on the lift. I got parts coming in every day for it, and we're going to keep trucking along on that. And again, thanks for watching.